What's up, guys? Hey, a few weeks ago I did a vlog about the crazy vending machines that you can find in Tokyo, and I've had a lot of people ask me, is it true about the used panty vending machines? Well, I decided to make a vlog about that and include some of that footage that I didn't include in the last video. So if you're into that kind of stuff, check out this video. If you're not, here's a link to the other one that I did last time. It's pretty popular. A lot of people like to see some of the crazy stuff you can find. But here, let's take a look. Why do I always do the sound effects? I don't need the sound effects. I've got special effects at... I can ask... Alright, we just made it to Akihabara station. Now this may seem a little crazy, but we are going to look for some of the craziest vending machines we can possibly find out here. Now it's been said that they have some used panty vending machines here, which may be a myth, and it may be just old history, but we're gonna look around for it. As creepy as it sounds, we are going to look for some used women's panty vending machines. So far, nothing exciting. Oh, what do we have here? What is this? Is it dirty? It's not dirty. Hey, look. There's us vlogging on TV. We have been wandering around Akihabara for about an hour and a half, and we haven't found anything except coffee and sodas. We're gonna keep looking. We're gonna find something for you guys today.
Let's go this way.
Ah. Ah. So what do? You dress up in the costume and then you just drink coffee there?
Coffee and creepy men go.
Creepy men go there.
And guys like to see like that.
It's something for everybody, I suppose. Arigato tabunato de. Arigato gozaimasu. Our mission is to find something very, very crazy. I'm officially renaming this the creepy capsule scavenger hunt. Oh, this looks really creepy. Let's go in here. I think we're getting closer. It's not a capsule, but it's a DVD, so maybe we're in the right direction.
Like adult department.
This one? Right here? Let's go! I think we might have found it. Cue the sexy music. We found it.
Somebody 2 days.
2 days used?
Use.
And these are used?
This one said.
This one's 2 days used. I think that's too creepy for me to buy. I can't do it. I can't do it, but we found it. We so found it.
This is period pants. Already used period pants.
Oh, it's sold out.
Yeah.
That's even worse. This is crazy. I really didn't think we were gonna find this. I'm kind of uncomfortable now. Like people user card?
No, the thousand.
Oh, the bill.
Yeah.
How was your first experience in an adult shop?
Crazy.
What was the craziest thing you saw?
Toy.
Which toy?
Oh, wow.
The paddle, the rope, the ball?
Doll.
The doll.
Oh.
That was a little weird. Well, we accomplished our goal of finding the panty machine.
Panty machine. Gotcha, gotcha.
Oh. Now that we found that, I'm actually a little bit uncomfortable. I'm a little bit creeped out. I don't know what else to say, but now let's go get some sushi. Ready to eat?
Yeah.
All right, let's go eat. Yeah, so that's it, guys. So let me know in the comments down below what you think. You thought it was cool? You thought it was crazy? Thought it was creepy? I'm really curious to see what you guys think about that. It was kind of my first time doing something a little bit on the edge of vlogging, so yeah, I really want to know what you guys think. So if you haven't yet, hit the subscribe button, please. Really trying to keep my channel going, and I can't do it without your support. So hit the like button if you liked it. If you didn't, hit the dislike button. It's cool, no problem. But definitely keep watching. I'm gonna put some more stuff for you guys. Thanks a lot.